Hola amigos, today we're going to be making crema de calabacitas or Mexican zucchini soup. We're going to start off by sauteing some white onion and garlic in some vegan butter and olive oil, and this is going to give your soup a really delicious flavor. And you're just going to saute that until the onion starts to get a little bit soft. Then you're going to add your roughly chopped calabacitas, which is like the Mexican zucchini. If you can't find calabacitas, you can use regular green zucchini that's available to you. You're going to season with salt and pepper, and you're going to add some vegetable broth, and then just let it simmer until it begins to soften. And now we're going to blend this until it's nice and creamy. And then little by little, we're going to be adding some unsweetened soy milk. You can use whatever plant-based milk you'd like, and then you're just gonna blend it until it's nice and creamy and soft and thick like this, and then you can serve it drizzled with some vegan crema if you have any. Some croutons would go really good with this, a bolillo on the side, and you can serve this as an appetizer or a light meal. I love it with a grilled cheese sandwich. It's so delicious. I hope you give it a try, and let me know if you like it.